How to fix Windows keeps freezing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a few steps to fix if your Windows keeps freezing. So let's just get started. First thing you have to do here is simply go ahead and open up your command prompt, type in cmd, and run this as administrator. Once you click on it, click on yes, and you want to type in this command sfc space scan now, like so. Hit enter and it's going to start scanning your PC. It will take some time, so wait for this to complete up to 100% and you should be good to go. If there are any errors, it will completely fix it. Once that is done, what you want to do next is type in this command, check disk, hit enter, and it will show you the type of file, and if there are any other things or issues with it, it's going to show you right here. Once you've done that, close this out, and then from there you want to go over to this PC and then right click on your C drive. Then simply go ahead and click on Properties, then go to Tools, and then click on Error Checking. Click on Check, Scan Drive, and wait for it to complete scanning. You should be good to go. Once that is done, you need to go ahead and open up Settings, hit Enter. Once your settings opens up, go to System on the left-hand side, and then find Storage. Click on it. From Storage, you want to make sure that your storage sense is turned on, so make sure that this toggle is on. Click here, and go down. Click on Run Storage Sense Now, and you should be good to go. Once everything is done, give your PC a quick restart, and your problem should be solved. That is it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.